Okay, so now we're going to remove and replace the clamp on a Maxi handlebar. The Mini is pretty much the same. The clamp looks the same, but it's not quite, they're not interchangeable. The Maxi one, as you can see, is quite a bit larger. This is the Maxi, this is the Mini, and the Mini also has a flat piece across the back. But other than that, the principle is the same. So first of all, we open the clamp and relieve some of the tension so that the lever is nice and floppy. We extend the handlebar, and on the other side of the clamp there is a self-tapping screw, which we will remove. And put in the box for safekeeping. Now what we need to do is, using the thumbs, just push the clamp off. It's quite a close fit, so, and to remove it altogether, take the handlebar out. And refitting is the reversal of what we've just seen, except this time we push the push button in and locate it in the handlebar. This makes sure that the handlebar will stay in the right position, because on the back of the clamp there is a tab, and that tab fits in the slot in the back of the handlebar tube, which in turn fits over this slot in the outer tube, and it keeps the whole assembly nice and tight. If that tab is missing, and it can get broken off, it caused by this clamp not being tight enough, the handlebar will actually rotate inside the outer tube because that tab isn't there anymore. So we put the screw back in, make sure it's quite tight and fully home, and then adjust the tension in the clamp. And it's an over-centered clamp, so it should be fairly difficult to close, and it reaches the point where you keep pushing, and the tension eases off as it clamps over the top. It's important that it's tight, because if the customer doesn't want the handle all the way up or all the way down, it must hold the handlebar tight. It mustn't slip down the tube. If that isn't tight enough, it may feel like it is when the customer comes to close it. That seems okay. No, it's not. So in some ways it's better to close it and then just adjust it until it won't slip, and then you know that it's good.